Soc Sílvia Panissello i llegiré un poema del Vicent Andres Estellés, traduït a l'anglès per David Rosendahl. Nights that make the night. Now, I'd like to write a nice poem and talk about certain things you still can find that are nice in my opinion, or according to the neighbor next door. I want to be nice. Today, I want to say nice things. I'd go through the whole house on my knees, looking for nice things, praying that today I'd be given certain things that were really nice. I've gotten out of the habit of nice things. Everyone knows what the things of this world are. I've lost the habit. I don't know where I left them. Maybe at the cafe, maybe on a bench by some promenade. It's possible. It's possible. How can I know? But now it's night, and frankly, it's no time to go out searching for nice things, gentle things, nice things precisely. The cafe's closed now. The promenade is dark. You can find certain women who want certain things. I'm tired. I'm not in the mood to do anything. It's better to go to bed. Tomorrow will be another day, and by then I'll be over this desire, this flaming mania for nice things that suddenly come over me. That's come to me.